All right, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be looking at how to properly operate one of these, which is your small compact chipper shredder. Let's get into it. How do you actually operate this? Well, really pretty simple. As with small engines, on the side here, you'll see most of these machines have some kind of a choke system. So this one's got a run and then a choke. Over here, it's got your fuel cutoff. So when you're gonna put this into winterizing it or to storage, you're gonna turn that lever up, which is gonna cut off the fuel from running into the carburetor. Right here, you've got your stop and run, essentially. So full throttle is run, and then when you want to shut it off, you put it to stop. It is a conventional pull start, so, you know, all you guys know how to do that. You got your air filter, and that's about it. All right, so starting this machine is really very simple. All you're gonna do is make sure the fuel cutoff is not in the off position, so there's no fuel getting to your engine. You're gonna make sure the choke is all the way on, and you're gonna make sure that the switch is in the rabbit position. So there's a turtle and a rabbit. The rabbit position is run, turtle is stop. Once you got that going, all you're gonna do is give this a pull and see if you can get her started. So let's do it. All right guys, now as I mentioned, there are two different entry points in this chipper in which you're gonna put branches. Now you're gonna put the small branches in the top and the larger ones in the side. Now, it actually does matter which of the two slots you put the branches in, because if you try to put a branch that's too large in the top section, it's actually gonna bind up the teeth and it's gonna kill your engine. You can put whatever you want in here, it takes a while to feed smaller branches through the small chute, but you can put small branches in the large chute. That doesn't matter, but you don't wanna put large branches in the chute for the small branches. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm taking the large branches and I'm feeding them into the chute, and you can see the teeth are just chewing the branches up. And then what happens is if you get too much in the chute, you're gonna have to pull some of it out. You're gonna have to break it up and then feed it into the chute. Here I've got the plunger. What this does is this allows you to push branches further into the chute. All right, so here I'm putting branches in the top chute. So as you can see, I'm only putting small branches, leaves, stuff like that in the top chute, because if I put the big branches in there, it's gonna kill my machine. So you can see, same thing, I'm using the plunger to push the branches in there to avoid my hands, arms getting anywhere near the rotating blades, the tines. Real simple, real basic on that. All right guys, so final note on using one of these machines, you're going to want to make sure you wear your protective gear, especially your glasses. Wear headphones if you want to. They're loud, I always wear headphones, but definitely wear your glasses, because I've had these machines shoot branches, shoot sticks, shoot splinters out at very high rates of speed. I've had them embed in my arms, my shoulders, stuff like that. And they don't do it very often, but hey, just one of those splinters going into your eye, and guess what? You're wearing an eye patch and looking like a pirate for the rest of your freaking life. Not worth it. So hey, hopefully you guys got some information on this video. Hopefully this was helpful and informative. Hey, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. I'll see you later.